In this video, I want to show you how to attach your GIS model to your research as appendix or as figure. After running a model in GIS environment, you might want to attach the model as a graphical representation of the process in appendix, even as in part of your result or in methodology. Let me show you how to get that done. For example, in ArcGIS, I've run this model to clip or extract my digital elevation model. If for any reason I want to attach this model to my appendix or to my methodology, let me show you how to get that done. So to do it, after you have run your model, just come to this model, click on the model, and you can see export. Then come to export to graphic. Click on graphics. Then here you will select the format. You have various formats here as JPEG, PNG, and so forth. So let's go with PNG. Then specify where you want to save your results. So I'll click on browse. Navigate to your working folder. For example, let me save it here as model. Then click on save. Then after that, the size. You can choose current zoom level, actual size, fit in canvas, or you can customize it. So if you are satisfied with the size, but in this exercise, let's go with fit in canvas. Click on OK. So it will export it as PNG to that folder. Now to verify it, let's go to that folder, and here is it, model.png. So to attach it to your research, just highlight and copy it. Then open your research. Let's assume you want to put it under image subsetting in your methodology. So as you have copied it, just come here, right click and paste. And here is it. You can see the model. So here you can now label it as figure. For example, let's say figure 3.1. Give it a title. Let's say clipping of image, for instance. So you can see this is how easy it is to export your model as graphic and also attach it to your research. So if you have any clarification or question, let's know in the comment section. But in essence, this is how to export your model and attach it to your research as figure or as an appendix. Thank you for watching.